got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes. You got those pretty eyes in your head. You know it. Kinda cool and kinda not. Wanna give myself to you. Yeah, we're driving down the freeway at night. I only got one thing in the back of my mind. I'm feeling like this might be my time to shine with you, with you, with you. I got my head out the sunroof. I'm blasting our favorite tunes. I only got one thing on my mind. You got me stuck on the thought of you. You're making me feel brand new. You're more than a sunshine in my eyes.
Ayun, happy 18th birthday. At least delayed yung 18 mo, at least natuloy pa rin. Grab mo lang yung opportunity na dumadating sa'yo kasi andyan na eh. So, lagi mong pagkakatandaan na andito kami pinsan mo and yung parents mo din, andyan din to support you and happy lang. Mag-shot pa tayo tomorrow. Pagkatapos, ano ka ba? Walang ending. Char. Mr. Adrian.
Wait mo lang yung kalooban ni Lord palagi.
Happy birthday. Buti natuloy kahit na-delay kasi dahil sa pandemic. Pasensya na kung medyo may kulang dito kaya. Ayun nga, nasabi naman na nila yung mga dapat mo talagang gawin. So, enjoy na lang eh.
Panatigay din pag bumalik ka sa Canada, hindi mo kami makalimutan yung mga memories natin na magpipinsan. Kasi minsan lang ito nangyari sa atin. Yun lang at maraming salamat.
Happy birthday Ate Kailin. Masasabi ko lang sa'yo, ingat ka palagi. Talaga ang sarili mo. Yun lang.
Happy birthday sa'yo, mag-iingat ka palagi. Gabayan ka sana lagi ni God at huwag mong kakalimutan yung mga memories. Happy birthday.
Live your life to the fullest without regrets. Life is just a game. To be able to win, you must enjoy. All the obstacles that you may encounter sa future are just the challenges in life that put by God. Happy birthday.
Ayan, let's toast for a successful life for our Jabitan. Ayan, let's all raise our wine glass at sabihin natin na happy birthday sabay inom. 1, 2, 3.